These animals don't run from danger, danger runs from them. Wolverine, small in size, but insanely fearless. It can fight wolves, bears, and even steal kills from predators twice its size. Honey badger, officially the most fearless animal on Earth. Venomous snakes, lions, cobras. It attacks first and worries later. Tasmanian devil, looks small, sounds terrifying. Its bite is one of the strongest for its size, and it never backs down. These animals survive because fear doesn't control them. Instinct does.